Hey everybody, it's Matt from A to Z Diecast here. Gonna do a quick review. Everyone's asleep in the house, so I get to play with some toys. One of my last videos, I did the M2 auto lifts with the blue Foxbody, and I don't want to put you guys through watching me build it. So I built these. These are the PEZ Foxbody auto lifts with chase. I should have probably started it, stopped it, and edited, but I don't edit my videos. I go straight through. So the regular comes on with the orange PEZ lift, like this. The chase comes on the blue. And I'm not sure how I'm going to display them. So my crazy ass needed 4. 1 on each. So I'm deciding if I was originally going to do this. No. Non-chase, non-chase. And then chase. Chase. I think that's what I'm going to do since the auto lift is part of the chase set. So I don't know, but that's why they're off. And you know, I usually show you all that stuff. But since we're really looking at the cars, let's go car by car. So I built regular number 1 with the Goodyear labeled tires, because that's how it was in the package. Goodyear with those rims, the black. I put the Foxbody 5.0, straight up regular motor in it. It's got the PEZ colors. I really probably, even though I'm a Yankee fan, this is more of a Mets color, actually closer to Islanders, without the stripe. But yes, we know the Mustangs had the stripes on the two-tones and some of the straight up colors, but not that bad. You notice the clear window here, PEZ logo here, here. It also says it on the front of the auto lift here. Come on, focus. There we go. The other one built, of course, the car is the same except for the motor. It's got the Coyote swap in it with the twin turbos and the pony-like rims. They're pretty close, but not true to ponies. I should probably, get a little decal. Yeah, decal. I can't speak. With a pony on it, and I think some of you guys out there would actually really appreciate those for your customs. Okay, now we're going to take a look at the chase. Kept it the same way with the 5.0 302 in it. So M2s usually have gold aspects. Well, guess what? There's no bumpers to paint on this. There's no chrome. So what do they do? Duh. Yellow wheels. What else? The rims are white. These rims are. What else is different? The interiors. Interior is blue. One more feature. Regular has clear glass. Very hard to see, but it's there. There's a difference in tint. This is yellow, like the yellow tires. I keep hitting my mount, so sorry for the shaky camera. It's very hard to see, but there we go. That's a good light right there. You can see how this is yellow, and that's clear. Other version, regular, chase. Well, rims are the same. Rims are white on both of these. But again, blue interior. That's a better shot. See the tint on the windshield? Yellow tint, yellow rims, yellow tires. That is the difference. It kept the motors the same. So again, I think this is going to be how I don't know, maybe that way. Keep it the same. I think they're going to be displayed this way. So, yeah, that's it. I mean, oh, you know what I did forget to tell you guys? It says PEZ on license plate. PEZ. Everything else is standard with the 5.0 tails, the headlights. Listen, everybody, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check out the rest of our videos. Oh, so off on that one. For all you OCD people. There. Check out the rest of our videos later.